Hello there and welcome to our next update. In this video, I'll cover some of the administrator features that we just released. I'm going to start with the translation app that is located all the way at the bottom. Now, this app is only available to school administrators. So you have to be the one that created the school account at EDUonGo, or you will have to be using another administrator account that your school was granted with. With the translation app, you can now translate EDUonGo into your own language or change the labels throughout the system as you wish. For example, if I'd like to change the name here, draw it into Let's Draw, I can do that via the translation app, or change my wall into my dashboard, and so on. So let's go inside and see how it works. Here at the top, you can add the title of your new language or whatever you'd like the translation to be called. I'll change mine into English My Way, since I will translate just some of the labels. And as you can see, we have grouped the labels into different sections here on the left side, so you can click on any of the sections and see a list of all labels that you'd like to translate on the right. Now, if I want to translate Draw It, then I scroll down and find that section. I come here and on the text input on the right side, I can write Let's Draw. Then I can hit the Save button at the top right corner. You'll see a message that says translation was successfully saved. And there's one more step you will have to do to see the new changes. We need to get out of the translation app now and go to the application settings. This app is also available only to school administrators. And in here you can now pick from the drop-down menu the new language you'd like to switch to. So I will pick English My Way, and before I hit the Save button, I'd like to cover one more small update we put here, which is the display date format. So now you can change the way you want the date to display throughout the system. Okay, now I will hit the Save button, and to see the new translation, you will have to do a refresh once on the browser. And if we scroll down here, you can see Draw It has changed into Let's Draw. Now, of course, your users will not have to hit the refresh button in the browser, and you don't have to do that again anymore. Alright, that's all for the translation. Now, before I end this video, I'd like to cover one more update we did for the school administrators. I want to show you the update we just released in the My Books app. Now, as a school administrator, you can organize the My Books area for your school as you wish. And if you want to remove the public marketplace so your students and teachers cannot see it, you can simply click on the Remove button here, and it's gone. Also, whenever your students or teachers create books, they will pile up in the Approval section here, and you as a school administrator will be able to approve each book and assign them to the course catalog, to the right catalog. Now, if you'd like to bring back the marketplace into the left navigation here, click on Manage Catalog, and from the drop down you can click on Marketplace. Note, here at the top you can upload your own EPUB books as well. And one last thing in this app, you can now send a request to integrate a custom book feed for your school. So for example, if you'd like to integrate your own book feed from Pearson or Cengage, McGraw-Hill, or any other publisher, you can now submit that request via this form here. Okay, these are just some of the major highlights for school administrators in this release, and I hope you enjoyed them. And until next time, happy teaching and happy learning.